In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto brightness on iOS 16. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down for a bit until you find Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. And there, scroll down to the very bottom where you can find Auto Brightness feature. By default, this feature is on, and now here you can simply tap on that switcher to toggle it off. Also, in any time you can enable it, and when this feature is enabled, it means that current display brightness will set depending on outside condition. And also in any time you can swipe down from top right corner to open up Control Center and increase or decrease display brightness by simply dragging this slider. And then you can hop out Control Center and continue using your device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.